company vehicle. This is a first for me. I've never seen someone do a double tensioner on these models. This is a 1.4. Anyway, in between 96 to 2004, I've never seen you put a 1.6 tensioner also. And there's your original tensioner, guys. That's the tension you should turn up to actually tension from the bottom in. Né? So I don't understand how you have two. God, en die is klaar al, joh. But okay, it's fine. I'm not busy there. I'm busy here. That's a new oil filter. I want to check now how stiff you are. Yeah, guys. You still a major in the corner. You still a major. Why am I investigating a coolant leak? You see what I see? Do you see what I see? Okay, so let's first find out if this mother chot looks tight, but the drop's coming from further back now. Yeah, this one is remnants of silicone, but this is not where you're leaking up there somewhere. So okay, let me go investigate further to the top. It's not a Wells plug. Yeah, it's not a Wells plug. It's on the rubber pipe. Okay. Gotcha, bitch. So there's our broken pipe, and I can't film this nicely. Let me see if I can get my hand in there, move the cabling out of the way. It's always cable tied to things. Do you see? Let me just try and get you in there. That's our water leak, our coolant leak. So we need a replacement pipe here. See, we don't just tell the client that I think that pipe at the back's broken. No, we confirm that, right? We make 100% sure we confirm that. So that is our leak at the back of the engine. It's still from the factory. It's got 300,000 Ks on, so yeah, it's lived its life. It's time for retirement now. And is it after? You see where the water bottle level must be? Yeah, halfway, not max out, guys. But now, sien, as jy al waterpomp, nuwe waterpyp is in. Sê hom nou weer fuck off. Yeah, they had the job done, a major service done already, not by me. I'm doing double up checking. So, based on my assumption, I'm assuming, right? This is the reason why the head blew. I'm assuming this is the reason why the head blew. So the system will burp itself first, right? That's the first time the fan's going on now. So it will drop. So once it drops, I'm gonna let it go on a second time. Switch off the vehicle and allow the vehicle to cool down. Once the car has cooled down, now you can gauge based on where your coolant level is laying 100%. So this car is gonna stand here about 1.5 hours to 2 hours in the driveway, right? The client is on a job quickly, so he's gonna take a while to get back to me. but she's operating normal. Sy moet nog een keer aangaan. Dan gaan ek haar afswitch. Af laat koel. Dan kyk ons gou hoe laag sak die af. Dan top ons dit op. Right? Now you know the system is bobbed correctly. But this car's not overheating. I can open that thing right now. It won't gush out. You understand? The car's healthy.